Hey everyone, in this video I will be unboxing the Datalogic QW2120. So right out of the box, you will be able to find a USB to RJ50 cable. And right after that, you will be able to see the QW2120 handheld linear imager barcode reader. And next, this is the hands-free stand holder which comes along in the box. And inside, you will also be able to find the instructions on how to set up the hands-free stand, along with a quick reference guide. For a little demonstration on how to connect the cable to the reader, simply connect the RJ50 side of the cable to the bottom of the reader.